In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Chrome from blocking downloads. We've all been there. You're trying to download a file, maybe a document from a colleague or photos from a friend, and suddenly, Google Chrome steps in and blocks the download. This can be incredibly frustrating when you know the file is safe. In the next few minutes, we'll walk through a simple way to adjust your settings in Google Chrome to prevent these unwanted blockages, making your browsing experience smoother and less interrupted. First, let's open up Google Chrome on your computer. Once you've launched the browser, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which is the Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, navigate down to Settings and click. This action will open a new tab that contains all the settings for your browser. Now, in the Settings tab, we're going to look for the section labeled Privacy and Security. This section is crucial because it pertains to how Chrome handles data and security, including how it handles downloads. Click on this section to proceed. As you enter Privacy and Security, you'll see various options available, but the one we're interested in today is Security. Click on Security to delve a little deeper. Here, you're going to notice something labeled as Safe Browsing, which offers a range of protections against threats like malware and phishing. However, it can sometimes be quite aggressive, leading to unnecessary blockages of safe downloads. In the Safe Browsing area, you'll see several levels of protection offered. The settings range from Enhanced Protection to Standard Protection, and there's also a No Protection option. For our purpose of preventing unwanted download blocks, you might consider using the Standard Protection setting if it's not already the one you have selected. This option allows Chrome to provide protection without unnecessarily blocking files that are actually safe. After making your selection, you may need to relaunch Chrome for the settings to take effect. Simply close out of your browser completely and reopen it to ensure everything is up to date. Remember, while changing these settings can help alleviate the problem of Chrome blocking harmless downloads, always ensure your device is protected with antivirus software and that you only download files from trusted sources. And there you have it, a straightforward method to adjust your Chrome settings and reduce the hassle of download blocks while maintaining a level of caution online. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!